And guys. Oh. One start. Ha? Nandyan sa ano? How much for the comms? Stage 1.
This one is 1,400.
1,400.
400. I write for you.
1,400 times 15. Oh, 21,000. 21,000 yung comms.
Stage 1. And 1,400. Wall spring.
Bulb spring retainers.
800. Last time I give you discount.
Yeah.
Later I give you lah. I write the price first, you see. This is the normal price.
Yeah.
Stage 1,
Stage 1.
wall spring, retainer. Then
Okay.
injector.
Injectors. 450cc. It's enough.
How much boost?
1 bar. One bar boost.
Normally 550.
How much price difference?
I give you both.
Okay.
This one,
650.
yeah. This one,
500. Okay. 500. 650, 500.
you convert and see.
150.
Peso.
22. It's okay. Here. Daming mangkin.
From inner motive.
Inner motive.
New product.
Bab, yung... Sama. Yun guys.
Oversized WAF. 1 plus 1 mm.
Valve.
WAF. Exhaust inlet plus 1.
How much?
This one expensive. 1,002.
Oh,
Because double horsepower.
more horsepower.
Yeah, because more
Air.
air 1 plus 1
Plus 1 mm.
plus 1 mm. This one is okay. One spring.
Valve
Retainer.
spring.
One spring.
Retainers.
Titanium.
Yeah. Titanium. Okay.
And one cam. Cam this one.
Stage 1.
Yeah, this one.
I don't need stage 2, right?
Depends on you, how your tuner and your mechanic can match or not.
Okay.
No.
That is stage 1.
Normally stage 1 with our turbo ball bearing.
Ball bearing.
Yeah, ball bearing small one. I'll show you the graph. This car is our customer car, Bidu. All inner motive, fully inner motive.
Full in. Piston and...
Piston, conroll, wall spring, retainer, cam stage 1, and BRD intake.
Intake. Oh,
Yeah.
BRD.
You see the graph.
It's nice.
Until end, no.
291.
Then you see the top.
Nice. Naglapit na. Tingnan mo muna yung mga monkey.
Bagal na.
Lapit na, nak. Andyan lang naman yung pupuntahan natin.
PPF din sila.
Ha?
Kasi, wala bang mga ganyan sa Pinas? Dito ko dalawa naman.
Thailand yan. Saan yung monkey? Sama ng monkey yun, oh. Ayun, bibili pa akong pesa dito, anak. How about the coil plug? Do you upgrade?
No,
No? Stock?
don't upgrade. Just stay stock.
Stock, okay.
Because you upgrade, later got problem, you had to find the problem.
Oh,
Normally we just stay stock.
stock. Okay.
Yeah, stock is the best.
Guys, ito yung injector. This one is 5...
Yeah, 500.
450.
550.
550. Okay. Okay.
Socket 4 piece.
This is brand new.
Yes, brand new.
Okay.
I don't have second hand anymore.
Okay. So yun guys, ito na yung pinamili ko. Stage 1 cams. Stage 1 na cam, 550cc na injectors and valve spring and retainers. Ayan. Para matibay. Wala tayong valve plug. What?
What turbo?
GT28.
This one.
Ball bearing.
Go very.
Oh, it's nice.
It's brand new.
How much?
This one is 2,600
Oh, it's expensive.
because it's ball bearing.
Yeah.
It's very cheap in ball bearing because got up to 10k.
Okay.
This one is the graph I sent you.
Oh.
I show you. He using this turbo. My
So-
car also using this turbo.
Small turbine.
Yeah. That
Wow.
one is bigger.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. The
No
one
lag.
is this version but bigger.
GTX25. Okay.
Yes.
Soon, I will contact you. Thank you.
This one is
330 discount.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ringgit.
It's good. I will transfer through Wise.
Yep.
Wise.
The voice.
Wise. Yan guys, hatid niya kami dun sa Bato Cave. So, lowered. Want to sit here.
In Philippines, your driver is there.
Yeah, left.
Left.
Left. Left hand drive. And that just fit.
Yeah.
Fit.
G. Just G. It's very hot. now.
Yeah. Same weather in the Philippines.
Philippines also same.
Yeah. Wow. Sounds good.
If you go straight, let's go Genting. Genting
Ginting.
Highland.
Oh, Highland.
Genting Highland got casino.
Casino.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you go straight, it's on the mountain.
Mm.
There's also tourist spot.
Tourist spot.
Yeah. After this, I think you can go KLCC,
KLCC.
KL Tower.
Yeah, KL Tower. Or go there.
In the KLCC, got aquarium.
Mm.
You can bring your daughter to go. Around here, the one our zoo.
Zoo.
Yeah, zoo.
Yeah. There's no delay,
Huh?
There's no delay.
No.
It's nice.
No lag.
No lag.
Yeah. Just now the turbo, I show you. It's in the car.
Soon. Ganda. Their place is nice, no traffic.
Yeah.
You can enjoy
Now
drive.
is no traffic. After
Rush
6,
hour. It's traffic.
very traffic. Before 5, you have to leave here.
Oh.
Before 5 o'clock. Because here, all is jam. Traffic jam. Because tomorrow is holiday.
Holiday.
So everyone is coming out to holiday.
Oh. Malapit lang pala. Nice. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Grabe, ang ganda ng hatak ng jazz niya. Payong ba? Payong natin yan?
Hindi.
Ha?
Hindi.
Thank you, bro. Right. Ganda tumakbo ng jazz niya. Woo! Nak, excuse nak.
Wait, after ng tagal na magpili.
Grabe ang ganda ng jazz niya, guys. Grabe, walang kalaglag yung kanyang ano. Naka-ball bearing kasi yung turbo noon, kaya ganun. So, nandito na kami sa Bato Cave. So, thank you bro kasi hinatid po kami dito sa ano. Malapit lang naman yung shop nila doon. Oh, nandito na kami sa Bato Cave.
Grabe.
Grabe!
Ano?
Ano yan? Daming bird?
Weekend.
Ah, pigeon.
Tara, dito tayo sa may pigeon.
Video kita na ano, sana may ano pang pakain. Ay, ang ganda. Ang daming kalapate. Eh, sobrang tarik naman yan pag inakyat. Baka hindi na natin akyatin, no?
Siyempre.
Mapapagod ako dyan. Sa Hong Kong nga, napagod ako eh. Yan pa kaya, oh. Grabe yung tarik na yan sa Hong Kong. Hindi, medyo paslad pa ng konti. Cave talaga siya, no? Kasi nasa gitna siya ng ano eh. Nasa gitna siya ng bundok ng bato. So, ang daming unggoy dito, guys. Kung saan-saan lang. Yan, oh. Yan mga unggoy doon. Kung saan-saan lang sila. So yun guys, dito naman muna kami sa KL hapon hop off city tour. So parang 2 hours ata tong ano na to. 2 hours yung tour dito around the city. So yun yung bus na yun. So parang ano din siya, parang sa Hong Kong na ano. So try natin kung ano mga madadaanan dito. Ha? Wala.
Yeah, came through flexing cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presents on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me, rocking boots and white tee. Designer on my cuff link, something like a movie. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Artist out the ranch, I just told you that I'm bout it. I might take offense if you tell me that you doubt it. That's just what it is, yeah, I'm known to make it rowdy. Then I'm for the fit, and I drive a wide body. Who you know, but like this, nobody. Can't go slow, I gotta hit that body. I'm the top, but the top, I can't never take a break. Yeah, I'm hot, and you not, that's why all my records bang. Oh, it's been a long, hard road, gotta go home. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, and I know you love the way that I'm gon' keep going. Yeah, 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 yeah. Came through flexing cause they know I got the too crazy. Better take that knee and kiss my ring, cause I be royalty. Everywhere I go, my scene, and they be hating. That's such a lame thing, yeah, y'all be lame things. I could never.
Ito po yung lobby ng hotel namin dito sa sa Malaysia, and meron siyang slide dito papunta dun sa ground, lower ground. Tapos merong mga table doon, pwede ka mag work, pwede ka mag-play ng games. Tapos akit ka lang din uli sa escalator. Ito yung elevator.
Kaya ka.
12 meron. Guys, book muna kami ng Grab. Kakakunti na mukha ko. Kaya namin Civic. Diba? Civic pinanggagrab lang dito. Anis. So bus muna kami guys papuntang Genting Highlands. So ang pamasahe dito ano lang, Gis. Web ticket counter. Sa ano? Guys, hanapin lang namin yung ticket counter ng bus. Yung kagandahan dito sa Malaysia, yung mga tao dito kaya nilang makipag-communicate. Nag-i-English sila, diba? Hindi katulad sa iba, yung mga sa mga Chinese country na mahirap talagang makipag-usap, tulad ng Taiwan, Hong Kong, yan ganun. Mahirap makipag-usap sa kanila kasi pati mga tindera doon hindi nila kaya mag-English. Chocolate Gallery on the way.
What's that?
Chocolate Gallery.
Chocolate gallery.
Free taste of chocolate. Guys.
Baka wag na siya i-book
Oo.
para walang charges.
Yes. Kasi guys, andito na kami. So nag-grab na lang kami papunta dito kasi naiwanan kami ng bus. So nagbayad ako ng 200 ringgit. Saan? Diba mga kainan dito? Kain muna kami. Ganda dito, malamig. Malamig na dito. Mataas na kasi ito na area. Restaurant. Restaurant. Ito lang bang kainan dito? Guys, let's eat. Nasi buhari.
Vegetable fried rice.
Ito sa akin.
Buat je buat tingkap. Kenapa dia cakap? Buat tingkap. Lewat.
Welcome aboard on the Awana Skyway. Your highway is now
Macam Mina lah.
standing a distance of 2.8 kilometers. Arrive at
Alah,
Awana
kita dah
Skyway.
lupa mati tak.
Very, very cold.
Lamig dito. Guys, yung theme park dito. Magkano yung theme park dito? Per head?
2,000 mahigit.
Ha?
2,000 sa adult, 1,000 mahigit sa bata.
Ay, ang mahal pala to?
6,200. Kahit tatlo. Ano kaya?
Oo, kaya pinasukan na namin. Tapos yung Grab kanina, naka 3,000 din.
Ano pa yan? Sayang yan. Marami pang malagay. Siksik mo, be. Isiksik mo muna, be. Sayang. Ito. Ako, gusto ko.
Ha?
Ako nga, ni. Di pa yan. Sayang yan. Punoy mo pa. Baka na. Hindi ko sinabing ubusin mo yan ngayon, be.
Okay na. Balik lang ako ng Batu Cave at itong sasakyan natin is Toyota Alphard. Ayan o. Ka-Alphard pa nga ni. Yung sasakyan natin guys, Toyota Alphard.